Hi Banff-Airdrie, Nadine Wellwood, your candidate for the People's Party of Canada. There's a lot of media attention right now regarding new tax cuts that have been proposed by the Conservative Party and Mr. Scheer. I want to talk to you a little bit about what those tax cuts mean and what the implications are for Canadians. Some of them are actually not bad ideas. Some of them, like the basic exemption increase limit, I said applies to everybody equally, not a bad idea. Fortunately, the People's Party of Canada had proposed that months back. We've been talking about that now for quite some time. The other tax credits, however, that have been requested or proposed are credits that apply to children's fitness. Again, not a bad idea. Maternity relief. Again, not a bad idea. Unfortunately, most Canadians will have maternity leave for less than a year. So the benefit is for 1 year and then what? Tax credits for children, for other things, means keeping receipts, complex filing forms, and that adds to Canadians' frustrations. How about we simplify the tax code? How about we simplify filing your taxes each and every year, where we don't need reams of paper and we don't need complicated accountants. Even accountants today are saying this is getting beyond what they're even capable of doing. It's too much. I hold in my hand the Canadian Tax Act, the very first one in Canada. It was done as a part of the War Measures Act. Any guesses how many pages this is? 45 pages. That includes 2 specimens and 1 schedule. Written pretty much in readable English, fairly large text. Why can't we go back to simpler times? Why can't we have a tax code that is simple, effective, and applies to all Canadians equally? The People's Party of Canada is proposing a simplified tax code. The proposed policy states a personal exemption between $0 and $15,000. That will help all of our lower income families equally. The next $85,000, so from $15,001 to $100,000, that is a flat tax of 15%. For most Albertans on a median salary of $70,000, that is more than $1,600 in your pocket. You can spend that on whatever you choose. How about we come up with a plan that's simple and effective, applies to everybody equally, and we keep the money in your pocket to begin with? So there's our tax policy, simple and effective. Next, we need to tackle how we're going to balance the budget and the serious consequences of not doing so. Please check back in to watch the video.